For Capstone #1, I chose to write about the drought conditions in southern Oregon, specifically the Rogue Valley. We have family that lives in Medford, Oregon, and they're dealing with the fires all year. The drought conditions may be partially responsible for the dry fire conditions that have been causing such devastation. The threat is that they continue to have all three drought conditions, meteorological, agricultural, and hydrological. They will have vast economic consequences, not only from the destruction of the property, but also on the consequences to agriculture. They grow fruit trees and corn as their primary crop, and it's a very important part of their economy. They're particularly vulnerable due to the proximity to the Siskiyou Mountains in Northern California. There's a stubbornly high pressure system that is created by these mountains and can cause volatility in the rainfall. According to Chapter 8 of the CSSR article that we reviewed in our lesson, seasonal precipitation deficits are predicted for the Southwest for the near future and beyond. Continuing warming may cause the conditions to perhaps get a little worse. In addition, the Medford Water Commission Conservation Report in June of 2017 states that there are several initiatives that they feel will help improve the drought prospects going forward. First, they would need to perform annual water usage audits, and they propose fixing faulty equipment and engaging in a public education effort to improve the situation.